Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about two Earth Rhythm products that I have recently got in the time of Christmas. So Earth Rhythm has sent me two of their products to try out. I have tried this product for more than a week. They have sent me before Christmas. I wanted to give these products its own time to show a result on my face before I talk about this product. The first product that I'm going to be talking about is the Earth Rhythm 10% Mandelic acid, which also has hyaluronic acid in it. The packaging looks something like this, and this one retails for 1499 rupees, but you can get flat 50% discount, so you can grab these products on their website. But these products are also available on different websites like Nykaa, Amazon, and so on. It has a good shelf life of 24 months, and the inner packaging looks something like this. This is a glass bottle and it comes with a pump. Consistency of the serum is not thick or not thin, just in between, as you can see in real time, and it easily gets absorbed in the skin within minutes. As you can see, it has hyaluronic acid. It provides moisture to your face as well. It absorbs moisture straight from the environment and put on your skin. You can incorporate this product in your AM and PM routine before you apply any of the moisturizers or sunscreen in daytime. Now, speaking about moisturizers, I have another product, and I'm talking about Advanced Cell Repair Face Moisturizers. It is a PHYTO-REPAIR moisturizer. It has 3% of vitamin C, which is amazing for daytime and nighttime. As it has vitamin C, it is very much important to use before you apply any of the sunscreen. You can apply it in daytime and nighttime as well. This one retails for 749 rupees for 50 grams of product, but you never have to pay the full amount. Now, the outer packaging looks similar like the serum ones, like the basic cardboard box, and it has a lot of different colors going on, which makes the products very fun, honestly. And the inner packaging looks something like this. Again, a glass bottle comes with a pump. Now, this is a very rich, lightweight formula cream which does not feel heavy on the skin, and it provides moisture to your face. It is already providing you the glow, as you can see in real time, but it does not feel very oily or greasy on the skin. For reference, I come from oily skin type, so I cannot take very heavy moisturizers. So this one being not one of them, I absolutely love this product. All of the products are available on the Earth Rhythm website, so you can check these products out. I highly recommend you guys to get this. Earth Rhythm has a lot of different beautiful products to explore. You can watch my other reviews as well, because I have provided a lot of Earth Rhythm products review on my channel. I have attached some of them on the eye. You can go ahead and watch them. But if you want to grab this product, I will provide all the links in the description box below. You can go ahead and check these products out. Even if it is not because of you, you can give this to any of your relatives, friends, men in your life. They definitely deserve all of these self-care routine. So yeah, it's time. This one is of 30 ml of packaging. This one is of 50 grams of packaging. All of the Earth Rhythm products are fragrance free. They are PETA certified. Packagings are recyclable, and they are 100% vegetarian as well. It ticks all of those good boxes, which I personally really prefer in a skincare product. Also, this bag is of very good quality, so I'm gonna take this to my trips, which I'm gonna be going very soon. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found this review helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that, and you will get to see the video quickly. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care. Okay, bye. Don't forget to check out the products. Bye.